Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in Watchwell, St.Elizabeth. Yeah man, one place I'm calling him Watchwell, St.Elizabeth. We are supposed to know them area there. Travel St.Elizabeth every day. So when we talk about Watchwell, it's very close to Success, Newcomb Valley, Greenfield, Newell. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from. Yeah, and brother, you can big up on yourself, one lover, one of the people. So let's take a tour with Fire Reid and know this area. I know many people heard like places where you're not supposed to go in Jamaica, maybe by the US authorities. You know, so them are rule out some place where you're not supposed to go in Jamaica. But now in Jamaica, there's a lot of safe places in Jamaica where you can go and enjoy yourself. Jamaica is a very nice place. I want you to don't involve with people in their wrongs. You're safe. And just try to know foreigner more safer than we Jamaican people. So enjoy the tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. So if you know this area, leave it in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from, so maybe I can give you a shout out the next time. So I'm off the Watchwell main road. I got to a blue shop. You know them shop that we built from a long time. That's also a landmark. And this road can take you right back to Greenfield, Black River, Barber Hall, Williamsfield, Newcomb Valley, Cheddar Beach. So enjoy the tour. Big up yourself, Papi. I come down by the bicycle. See a lot of coconut tree and banana trees in the area. Yeah man, also this is a farm in the area. I see a lot of garden eggs, pumpkin, cocoa. Yeah man, when you want to make your soup, you know, say if you don't have a cocoa in it, your cocoa, that shade, sweet potato, no place like the country, you know. So you have a few roads them a patch out for a few of the roads, the whole them. But you know, when them a patch out the whole in Jamaica, them throw some mall on the road for show like them a patch the road, rain come and wash it out. So them have to start back all over again. I don't know why anybody who have control of that, why they doing that. They always patch the road with some mall and leave it for a couple of days. Then rain come. When the rain come now, it wash out all the stuff that they're gonna use to patch the road. So that's a challenge. That's a waste of material. I'm looking to see if I see any land for sale, house for sale in this area too. As I said, this area is very close to Cheddar Beach, to Black River, Santa Cruz. It's about 15 minutes drive away. also this road can take you all to Panside, Fort Charles Beach. And remember, if you learned something about this area, also about Jamaica, you can leave in the comment section, give the video a big like, also can share to family members. Yeah man, yes I'm talking to you. Yeah, watch the video, share the video. That is what YouTube like, and also the algorithm. So this will help the channel to grow if you share the video and also like. That's a form of engagement. So please share that video for me, man. Please and thanks, you know. If you learned something about Jamaica, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, them rolling are really too busy. But always look out for bike personnel, look out for them people, look out for the bike rider them. Sometimes the bike rider them come with speed. So you have to look out for them. So it's about 10:43 a.m. Yeah man, 10:43 in this location. Don't see any sign for any property. Yeah, because them places are property. Maybe not too expensive, but reasonable. Can build a nice house close to some attraction places. So we're having some nice weather today, very sunny. And when you're in this area, you can view up into the Monroe. We have some windmill. Yeah, we have some windmill. And in the Monroe area, it's a different climate from in this area. It's a very, very cooler climate up that side because you're very close, you're in the hillside area. On your right, you have the Lisa Crown Royal Bar. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Lisa. You know, in Jamaica, you know some places, like when you talk about property, you know, you're gonna see like you have different cultures in different countries. Some places you can't bury your loved one and your property. You have to bring it to the cemetery, bring he or her to the cemetery. But in Jamaica, some places you can bury your loved one at home and some places you can't because of the rules and regulations govern Jamaica Island. Yeah man, so remember this now. You see, if you make a left turn to carry back out in a Watchwell Square area, so I make the right turn, you're gonna see Goodies Bar and Grocery. Yeah man, look at them pretty bar up on your left hand side. Yeah man, painting a Campari. Yeah. You see that sign right there, Mark? Williamsfield. So we're in the Williamsfield area. Yeah, man. So drive with care. You are now in the Williamsfield area. So we're gonna make the left turn. Yeah, man. So this is the left turn. You see that church right there? That's a Seventh-day Adventist church in the Williamsfield area. So if you are Seventh-day Adventist, you know exactly where to find the Seventh-day Adventist church of Williamsfield. Yeah, man, you have some beautiful house over here. See them house there? Very beautiful. You know, when you come on to the countryside, you have your farm store. So you have a farm store on the right. I think it's Fab Joy Agriculture Enterprise Limited. Yeah, man. So if you want to do goat feed or cow feed, you need to check out them place here. You see, when you're living in the country of Jamaica, countryside, you gotta realize you have a lot of corner shop in that area. Corner shop or a lot of bar. Yeah, man. So if he's a person like to hang out at the bar, drink a cold red stripe beer, countryside full of bar. So I'm going to the Hopewell direction. I think I'm still in the Williamsfield area, but where I'm heading to the Hopewell area. And when you're in the Hopewell area, it also can be very close to Greenfield, Panside, Fort Charles Beach. Like up the video, man, free of cost. Yeah, sometimes I like to show some of these beautiful houses in Jamaica, but sometimes for me, privacy is the key. Yeah, man, so sorry about that, my people. Yes, my people, I don't know, have an understanding if you say people them need some privacy with them house and thing, you know. So I respect that. So we having some bumpy ride. And them place here, as you can see, you have power lines in them area, power lines, and also water. Some place don't have any water. As this area have water, also power line. So when you're buying a property, I always check out those things. Like during the week, you have some areas that get water once a week, twice a week. All depends. So you need to check out all them things there when you're buying a property, when you want to live in Jamaica, because that's going to be your dream home, your place of comfort. So you have a lot of things to check out when you're doing any form of purchases. Boss them a severe them land. Boss I cut them peg. So, welcome to Hopewell. We're now in the Hopewell area. So, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.